All right, they did have a question like this last year on the test, so let's make sure we can do this. Calculate the height. Hopefully you recognize that we have a right triangle. Whenever you see a right triangle, say, Yahoo, I got a right triangle. Okay, so L squared is going to equal to 5 squared plus 12 squared. Hopefully you know that this is going to be 13 because this is a 5, 12, 13 triangle, but nonetheless. 25 plus 144 is equal to 169. You take the square root of both sides and I get L is equal to 13. So I get 13, L is equal to 13 cms, okay? Now it is calculate the area that is painted red. So let me read this. It's the whole outside painted red. The height of the toy is painted red. All right, so I need to erase this because I want the whole thing. So do you see that I have two shapes here? And this is called surface area. So the surface area of the toy is equal to the surface area of a cone plus the surface area of a semisphere. Okay. Okay, so I had to go look this up. The surface area of a cone is going to be pi RL. Now you notice we're not painting the bottom of the cone, right? Because this semisphere is there, so that's not why we're not adding pi r squared. So it's pi RL plus the area of a sphere. Well, a sphere is, okay, I gotta think about this. So it's going to be 1/2 because it's a semisphere of the surface area of a sphere, which is 4 pi r squared. Okay, so let's plug it in. So I get pi, my radius is 5, my L is 13, plus 1/2 times 4 is 2 pi, and my r is going to be 5 squared. I'm running out of room here, so I'm going to come over here. So 5 times 13, so 5 times 10 is 50, plus 5 times 3 is 15, 50 plus 15 is 65, so I get 65 pi plus 5 squared is 25 times 2 is plus 50 pi, so I get 115 pi. Calculate that the area is red. Okay, so I got to put that into my calculator. So 115. Do you see the pi symbol? Don't use 3.14. The pi symbol, not E, silly goose. And I get the surface area is equal to 361.28. So I'm going to keep it at 361 cm squared. All right. So you guys, hopefully, I don't expect you to memorize the surface area of a cone, but I want you to know where it is on your formula chart.